Well, hello, my name is Todd Bailey. I am a financial advisor and the owner of KRB Financial, and I am here on behalf of the Small Business Insights of the Triangle, and I'm meeting with Dr. Bikram Singh with Cary Dental Rejuvenation. And it's a pleasure to meet you.
Likewise.
Good to have you here for a few minutes.
Likewise, thank you.
And so what I'd like to do is just ask you a little bit about your business. Tell us a little bit about your background and how you ended up here in Cary.
Well, very good, Todd. I was born and raised in India, and I went to dental school in India for 5 years, from 92 to 97, and I came to the United States in 98. And I went to University of Pennsylvania in 2002 and graduated, I went to Pennsylvania in 2000 and was in University of Pennsylvania Dental School from 2000 till 2002.
Okay.
After that, I did my residency at Allentown, Pennsylvania for 1 year and moved to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And there I associated with a doctor for about 1.5 years, and then 2004 I purchased my practice in York, Pennsylvania. And I worked in that practice till 2012, and in 2012 I moved to North Carolina.
Okay.
And I've been here since then.
All right. So you've been 3 or 4 years in your own practice here in the Cary area.
Yes.
And
that's right.
So it's going well. So we're looking forward to hearing more about that in just a minute. So tell us a little bit about the history of Cary Dental Rejuvenation. You said you purchased from another dentist and picked it up and grew it from there?
Yes, absolutely. We, when I purchased this practice, we used to be on Kildare Farm Road, which is about 1.5 miles from here. Mm-hmm. And it was a small space, and in about 2 years we realized that our practice is growing and we need to find a bigger space. Mm-hmm. So I got in touch with a broker, and he found us this unit where we're sitting right now. Mm-hmm. And it was a cold shell, so we actually upfitted it from ground up, and we moved into this new space in November 2013.
Okay, all right, very good. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful space you have here.
Thanks.
And you said you're a single dentist working in this facility. You have how many employees, and what do they do?
I'm one doctor. This is a single doctor practice, and we have one wonderful hygienist. We have 2 dental assistants, and we have 1 front office administrator.
Okay.
And my wife works here also, and she does the payroll and pays the bill.
Yeah, and you were telling me a little bit about your business and what you feel like makes your office very unique from maybe other practices, and it's your team and the environment you're trying to create here. Tell us a little bit about what makes you unique.
Right. I think that's a great question. And dentistry is, in my opinion, is a great profession. And it's a very noble profession as well. What makes us unique is our practice, our focus is mainly on serving our patients. This is not a volume-based practice, this is a quality-based practice, not a quantity-based practice. So we try to, meet or exceed our patients' expectations. We treat them well, we like to be friends with them, we like to, be part of their lives at some point. Mm-hmm. And we genuinely care about our patients.
Right. And you were sharing you feel like one of the secrets to the success of your business is surrounding yourself with a team that understands that.
You have to have that. You have to have that. I cannot do this alone.
Right, right.
It's my team who shares my vision, and they are co-visionary in our journey here. So it will not be possible without their efforts and all the hard work they do.
Right.
So they definitely make it happen.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Great perspective. So, you talked about highly relational with your patients, connecting them with
Right.
them on that level. You were sharing that even the architecture and aesthetics of your office facility centers around
right.
that relationship.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Our whole practice, when we built this facility, our whole idea was that when my patients they walk in, how do they feel inside our practice? And my goal was to create a feeling or an atmosphere where it's very calming, it's very soothing, and when they walk through our front door, we want them to feel like they're walking into someone's living room.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's a very important thing for taking the stress level down or the dental anxiety down, from the very, very first time they walk through our door.
Yeah.
The other things that we use to serve our patients in our practice, all our treatment rooms have 2 TVs. One in the front door, one TV is on the front wall, other one is on the ceiling up there.
Right.
So all our chairs are equipped with headphone jacks. So patients have an option to watch TV show or a movie or documentary, and they can use the headphones. And they don't have to listen to any of the noise that's happening around them.
Mm-hmm.
We have blankets, we have paraffin hand treatments for them, we have aromatherapy neck pillows. We really like to care for them and make sure that they are comfortable while they're here.
Right, absolutely. Now you had talked a little bit about some of the services you provide, some of the products, some of the things that you do
Right.
for your clients. Tell us about that.
We are a general dental practice. We do a mix of a lot of things. We do Invisalign, which is a great way to do braces. And we place implants. And our office is totally digital. And we have intraoral cameras in all our rooms, which really, really helps us, present our treatment to our patients, and also helps patients understand what their treatment needs are. And because our philosophy is that we really want our patients to be part of their treatment decisions. The digital radiography that we use, that technology uses approximately 70 to 80% less radiation than conventional radiographs.
Okay.
We use digital decay finding device in our office that is very accurate and detects the cavities in its earliest stages before it gets too deep into the tooth. And many times those lesions or those caries decay areas can be treated without any need of any anesthetic.
Okay.
And that saves a lot of time for the patient. It's quick and easy and saves a lot of healthy tooth structure for our patients.
Right. And you had mentioned a service you have that really caters to the children
Yes.
as well.
It's a device called STA, and stands for Single Tooth Anesthesia. It's a small computer that helps us give the injection or numb the teeth for children. And all I have to do is just hold it close to the gum line, and the computer injects the anesthetic, and children barely feel it.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just very, very comfortable to use.
Yeah.
For our patients. And in addition to that, we also use CAD/CAM technology in our office, which is computer-aided design and milling. So that helps our patients have single visit dentistry, where they do not have to come back for their crowns or veneers second time, because they're going to walk out with the final restoration on their tooth on the same visit. So that saves them time. They don't have to take time off their work second time. They do not have to worry about any temporaries coming off over the weekend, and it really helps them.
Yeah, that's good stuff. So tell us a little bit about, from a business perspective, what makes you successful? What are some of the things that you feel like have brought you where you are today?
Well, from a business perspective, my first take would be that you gotta have an excellent team to, help you see your vision and be co-visionary and help you succeed.
Mm-hmm.
You need to have good people surrounding you to make your business successful.
Right.
That's the number one thing. The second thing is that taking care of your customers, your patients, the best you can.
Mm-hmm.
Providing them excellent customer service. That's very, very important.
Right.
And third thing is setting goals and reviewing your goals on a timely manner and make sure you are on track.
Yeah, yeah. So if somebody's watching the interview right now, they want to reach out to you, they're intrigued about your practice and want to get to know more, what's the best way for them to reach out to you? How would you like them to say hi?
They can reach on through our website,
Okay.
or they can call us directly at 919-460-5454. Our website address is www.carydentalrejuvenation.com, and there is a way they can request appointments online as well.
Right on the website.
Right on the website.
Yeah. Well, fantastic. That's
Very
exciting.
good.
Very good.
Yes, thank you.
It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you, Todd.
And to be able to chat a little bit about your business.
Thank you.
So again, my name is Todd Bailey with KRB Financial, here on behalf of the Small Business Insights of the Triangle with Dr. Vikram Singh. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Todd. Thank you for your time.
All right.
My pleasure.